Hello, I'm just screwing the backboard onto a commission I'm just finishing using M3 brass screws, straight screws into pre-drilled holes, hold quite well. I use backboards quite often in my larger automata. Two reasons: it makes them much easier to pack, quite a lot of them go abroad, particularly to the States. But secondly, it brings context. This one is a French class. The original is a cafe, which I've made quite a few of, and also I've made one of a bar. So what I'll do now, I'll rejig the cameras and I'll show you around it and show you how it works and talk a little bit about it. Set in a French class, so much to gain, so little to lose, but so difficult to do. The man trying to make an approach to the lady, but too nervous. Will he eventually succeed? We'll not find out. This shows the mechanism coordinated with the action. See if you can see what's doing what. Here's the mechanism for the lady's breathing, and also you notice it turns, the head turns there, and the eyes go inside that tube. Notice the two head turners on the left and the right there on each side. Now look at the man's eyes. The man looks sideways, which is more difficult to achieve. In this case he looks down at 45 degrees, which makes it a little bit easier. The conrod just pushes up and the eyes move naturally to the side. The lady's eyes are a little bit easier because she just looks down to read the book, and so all it needs is a rod that pushes the eyes up and down. Make the gears out of 12mm ply, birch ply. I colour them red to distinguish them from the natural wood, and then they've got several coats of lacquer, the last one being a wax-based lacquer. The view from the back with the backboard taken off. You can see the two counterweights on the head turners on the left and the right. They're made out of steel, which is then blued with gun blue. See the lady's head mechanism, which has got a concentric rod going up a tube. Here again you can see the tube operating the breathing, and I always find this one quite interesting to watch. This is the lady breathing and the eyes on the concentric control rods on a double cam. I make my larger automata with a screw-on crank handle, I think using an M5 5mm thread. I do this for two reasons. One, in transit it's a little bit safer if the crank handle isn't attached. It's a point of leverage there that can break. And secondly, it's possible to take it off and quite easily put a pulley or a cog on and motorise it, for instance, for a museum. Thank you for watching right through to the end. If you enjoyed this video, perhaps you'd like to subscribe or like, that would really help. So till next time, this has been Philip Lowndes.